Okay, so once you are inside the app, if you swipe to the right, you can see any stories that you have already made. Now we're going to go ahead and begin with a new story. So you start by pressing the plus in the center of your screen. What we will be using, now there are 3 different ones, what we're going to be using is short story. That has 3 parts to a story. Alright, there are 3 parts to our story: the beginning, the middle, and the end. Okay?
The end, where your story wraps up.
Oh no, I pressed the wrong one. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press this back arrow, this arrow that points to the left. We're going to press the back arrow right here. We're going to go back. I'm going to tap the beginning so that I can start fresh from the beginning.
The beginning, where you introduce the characters and the setting of your story.
So what's really neat about this app is that you can pick a setting that's already here. Okay, so I can begin by selecting one that I like that might go well with my story. Now it says add characters. Okay, you ever make a mistake, you always press this back arrow in the top left. But we'll say we'll go ahead and try this one, Space Center. Okay, now we have a couple options here. You can